Alrighty then, Steve here again from Forex Trading Coaches here to do some analysis. We're looking at a pound yen price level that's pretty significant here on Tuesday, April 25th, 2013. So let's go take a look at the charts and see what it is that we are seeing and what we're looking to do with this particular level. So let's jump onto the charts there. Alright, so you can see up here at 153.55 we have a very significant price level. Now, if you look back in history, starting with the monthly chart, you can see we're kind of rallying up next to these monthly highs from right over here, right around that 153.55, this monthly high and that monthly high right there. So if we continue to rattle around and reject this 153.55 area, we would look for some selling down from that region. So we've already had some kick in with multiple 4-hour rejection candles, but when you look in the past, if it starts to duplicate these kind of moves here, then we're going to be looking for more selling down from that very significant price level. Right, on the initial move, that was a 718 pip drop. Now, are we going to expect that out of it necessarily? Maybe not, because the trend is still building to the buy side of the monthly chart, still building to the buy side in the weekly chart, still building to the buy side in the daily chart, but we've hit this resistance. So if we reject it enough, we're probably going to sell off a bit and then maybe get a buyback after a bigger pullback. Now, of course, the alternative to that is if we pop through the level with the trend on all those multiple time frames, the daily chart, the weekly chart, the monthly chart, pop through it by probably, I don't know, 50 or more pips or so, and pull back, we may get some more buying up to higher levels, 155.70 potentially to begin with, and then even further than that. But that's a couple hundred pips above that area, so a couple 120 pips. So that would be something to watch for, because if the trend continues and stays strong and breaks to a new high, it could really break big time. So we'll be watching for, definitely paying close attention to this area here, and if it continues to reject repeatedly and starts to fall down especially, then we'll look for some selling to kick in. And then if we break well above it here in the next little bit, there could definitely be some buying. All right, so let's keep an eye out for that pound yen. Let's see what we can get out of that. And the more rejection candles we get, the more confirmation we'll probably get that selling is in order. So let's keep an eye out for that, and we'll see how we do. Thanks again, folks, checking in. And if you love your system, fantastic. Use your system to take advantage of these opportunities we talk about. But if you don't have a system that you are using effectively, go ahead and look us up at forextradingcoaches.com. Let us help you out. Thanks, folks. Talk to you soon.